Hi there, I'm Maddie Mays. I'm a private chef and culinary instructor here in Chicago. I was scheduled to come to the Addison Library last month for a cooking demo, but given the circumstances, we unfortunately had to cancel. But we thought it'd be a fun idea to get some cooking videos up online, so I'm here to just impart a few pro tips and tricks to liven up your meals a bit. We're gonna do a 3-part series highlighting some of my favorite pantry and fridge staples. The first one we're gonna cover today is lentils. So before we get to cooking, a couple quick notes. The Addison Public Library has a huge collection of online e-cookbooks for you all to check out. So if you go to Hoopla, OverDrive, or OverDrive, you can search there, and be sure to follow the Addison Public Library on Instagram and like their Facebook page for more cooking content and online programming to come. So the first step to cooking our lentils is to boil and salt our water. So I have a medium saucepan here filled about 2/3 the way with water. I have it at a rapid boil, which means we're ready to go. So before I dump in my lentils, I need to season the water. Lentils, just like pasta, need to be seasoned while they're cooking. So the only way to really do that is to add salt to the water. I'm gonna add a big, hefty pinch of salt, more than you think. And just dip my spoon and give it a quick taste. So we're good to go. So now I'm gonna dump in my lentils. And I'm gonna turn my heat down to medium just so that I don't get any overflow here. So my lentils have been boiling for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna do a little taster just to see where they're at. I'm looking for them to be almost entirely tender with just a slight bite to them. And those are good to go, so let's take them over to the sink to drain. Get them all out of there, give them a shake. And we're just gonna let them cool until they're room temperature. And now we're ready to flavor. The most basic preparation I like for lentils is just a little oil and acid of some kind. That could be vinegar, that could be citrus, really whatever you have on hand that you like. So I like to do a 2-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar, but that's totally personal preference. A little black pepper too. And since we added all of that salt in the water, I'm gonna taste it first before I add any additional. So good. Once you have this base, you can really add anything you want to it. I kind of just did a raid through my pantry and fridge to see what I had on hand. So I'm gonna put in some chopped roasted broccoli, some leftover herbs, some pumpkin seeds, and dried apricots. And really add whatever you like. A good mix of textures and flavors is always fun. And enjoy.